Hi guys, my name is Fair and this is Fair DTV. So I started this YouTube channel because I had lots and lots of people on my personal page hit me up. How did you make that and how did you do this? So I figured there was no better way than starting my own YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to Shibori tie-dye kitchen towels. Shibori is a Japanese way to tie-dye where they use natural indigo. You'll start the project off with 2 buckets. Each bucket will have 5 gallons of water, one with the indigo, one without, so you can kind of rinse the indigo off as you go along. So if you stay tuned, I'll get these buckets set up and yeah, thanks, keep watching. Hey guys, just wanted to go over some things you will need for this video. For this video, I decided to do 5 different designs and use kitchen towels that I found in a pack of 12 on Amazon for only $25. These towels are 100% cotton, and I recommend that whatever you choose to Shibori dye, that it also be 100% cotton because it really absorbs well with the indigo dye. So some other things you will need to get started are a paint stick, which you can find at Home Depot, the Indigo Dye Kit, which I bought off Amazon, which comes with the indigo, a pair of gloves, soda ash, and the reducing agent. You will also need a paper cup, plastic wrap, scissors, clothespins, rubber bands, and small wooden tiles, which I'll link down below. Okay, so now we gotta mix the dye. First put on your gloves, and in the bucket you want to fill up 5 gallons of water. Once doing so, empty the packets of the soda ash, the reducing agent, and the indigo into the water. Once you empty all the packets, take the stick and stir clockwise, and then stir counterclockwise. This will help dissolve everything into the water. Once everything is dissolved, we are going to cover the bucket with plastic wrap to keep as much air from getting in. If you have a lid to your bucket, you can use this instead. Put aside this mix for 30 minutes while we do some folding. Shibori tie-dye all depends on how you fold what you're dyeing. For these 5 designs, I started each one with an accordion fold. The accordion fold, you will fold forward then backwards until you reach the end. For my first design, I used 5 rubber bands and evenly placed them along the accordion folded towel. The second design again, I used the accordion fold. Once completing this, I then did a triangle accordion fold and again secured it with 3 rubber bands. The third design, again, start with the accordion fold and then accordion fold a square, just like you did the triangle. Once you finish, take the wooden tiles and place them both on the front and the back of your folded square and secure them with the rubber bands. 3 rubber bands horizontally and 3 rubber bands going vertically. The fourth design is similar to this one, except instead of putting the wooden tiles on straight, I slightly moved it to give it more of a diamond shape. Again, secure with rubber bands, 2 going horizontally and 2 going vertically. For my last fold, I decided to try something different. Again, I started with an accordion fold and then accordion folded 3 times in the shape of a rectangle. I then took my clothespins and went all around the edges. What makes Shibori dye so much fun is that you can fold whatever you are dyeing in thousands of different ways. Just be creative and do something different. So now we've come to the messiest part of this video. Definitely wear gloves for this. Remove the plastic wrap from the bucket of dye we set aside. Take a paper cup and scoop off any clumps that are oxidized on the top. Once doing this, get your 5 folded kitchen towels and put them into the bucket of dye. Hold these in the dye for about 3 to 5 minutes. The more you have it in the dye, the darker the dye will become. When taking the kitchen towels out of the dye, it's going to look green at first. Dip the dye towels into the plain bucket of water to get any excess dye off of the towels. Once you take out and the dye oxidizes, it will then develop into a beautiful indigo color. If you want to dye them a shade darker, throw them back into the dye and repeat the process. You can see to the left as I place them on the towel, the color going from green to an indigo blue. Okay, finally, they're done. Let's see how they turned out. They honestly turned out amazing. I was super nervous as this is my first YouTube video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you decide to do your own Shibori tie-dye, tag me at FarahDTV on Instagram so I can see you do something great. Thanks for watching and subscribe below.